In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a favicon in Blogger. This small but important detail helps give your blog a more polished and professional appearance, and it also makes your site easier to recognize in browser tabs and bookmarks. To begin, you'll need to prepare the image that you want to use as your favicon. Make sure your image is perfectly square, as this ensures it displays correctly across different devices and browsers. Common recommended sizes include 16 by 16 pixels, 32 by 32 pixels, or even 100 by 100 pixels for better clarity. When it comes to file format, you can use .ico, .png, or .jpg. Keep your design simple and clean, since the icon will appear very small on the screen, and too much detail can make it hard to recognize. Once your image is ready, head over to your Blogger dashboard. From there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Settings option. This will take you to the configuration page for your blog. At the top section, you should see an area labeled Favicon. This is where you can upload or change your current icon. Click on the option that says Select Icon File. A file window will open on your computer, allowing you to browse through your files. Locate the image you prepared earlier, select it, and then click Open. This action will upload your chosen image as your new favicon. After selecting your file, make sure everything looks correct, and then confirm the changes. Your favicon is now set, but keep in mind that it may not appear instantly on your website. Give it a little time to update. In some cases, the new icon will show up within a few minutes, but it can also take longer depending on your browser and caching. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing your website. You can also clear your browser cache to help force the update to appear. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added or changed your favicon in Blogger, giving your site a more professional and recognizable look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.